How to add multiple accounts on Mobile Legends. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add multiple accounts on Mobile Legend. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your... After you open up your Mobile Legends, let it load. And after it completes loading, you'll be on this first page. Now what you'll need to do is, after you're here, tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. After you tap here, you will see your profile. Now what you'll need to do is, right here you will see an account section on the bottom left corner. Now that is the last option. Tap on account, and right here you will see your different accounts. The first is Moon account. You can connect to it if you want to. You can connect your email to it as well. And there are third-party accounts. Now if you want to change your account and add multiple accounts, all you need to do is tap on switch account option that is right here. Tap on it, and after you tap on that, you will see different options. Now if the other account is connected to Moon Dawn account, simply tap on that. If that other account is connected to Facebook account, you can tap on that, or likewise you can do whichever you want. So simply tap on either one, and after you tap on it, it will just open up that very site and log you into it. And after you log into it, that is basically how you can add multiple accounts to your Mobile Legends. And that is how you do it, guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.